I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to receive money through Capital One, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Download and open the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once you're in the app, find the Payments or Transfer section in the main menu. This is where you'll manage incoming funds. Step 3. Select Receive Money. Look for the option that says Receive Money or Request Money. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Fill in the recipient's details, including their email address or phone number. Make sure to double-check the information to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm and send request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issuer.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if the recipient has not set up their Capital One account, they may need to do so before they can receive the funds. Happy banking!